Well, COVID-19 has impacted almost every sector of the national and also global economies, often in unprecedented or unpredictable ways. Well, Thrive TV's Shane Norris shows how Syngenta's crisis planning and also preparation can serve as a roadmap for farmers and also ag businesses.
Rapid action is necessary in a crisis. Syngenta experts suggest quickly executing a robust strategy of logistics, communication, education, and outreach to help growers and retailers get the products they need on time without interruption.
Syngenta runs a highly efficient global supply chain, which does help us to react quickly during challenging times. Like early on this year, we took proactive steps to protect our own workforce in order to be able to continue to supply products to our customers as we would during normal times.
Keeping open lines of communication is also important. Syngenta's head of internal communications recommends forming task forces at several levels of an organization with multiple stakeholders. Having those teams meet regularly is key for businesses to engage employees and provide timely information.
I think the best thing to do is to really rely on your key stakeholders and your partners. Have frequent discussions with your customers, find out what their needs are.
Outreach to customers is another way for ag businesses to battle the pandemic. Syngenta shared its learnings after building out a health and wellness portal for its employees. The company quickly moved to set up a public-facing site for local communities, customers, and growers.
Our employees have been able to share that gift with anyone they want. It could be a family member, it could be a customer, it could be anyone, a group of healthcare professionals. I'm very proud of that, and I think that's something that we're going to continue to help people understand that whether you do business with Syngenta or not, we deeply care about people. We care about the communities in which we operate.
Another key to success is protecting third-party logistics providers. When it comes to supply chain, establish safeguards to protect the truck drivers that carry products to customers. Syngenta North America's head of logistics suggests building out social platforms for drivers to communicate.
Drivers can share information on where to find food, safe places to stop, get a shower, or other amenities while on the road. Getting good information early on in the pandemic has been very difficult, so we wanted to ensure we make their lives a little easier.
The crisis has changed the way sales reps work in the field as well. What once might have been simple face-to-face chats have turned into FaceTime calls, text messages, or other creative ways to work with growers and retailers.
It's not just show up at your local retail location, walk in the door with a box of donuts or whatever it may be. Okay, I'm going to go to the retail location, but instead of going inside, we're going to stand outside and we're going to have a conversation across the hood of the truck or across the tailgate of the truck, which is very different than what we've done.
Bowden also suggests ag businesses find ways to balance safety and service and recommends that customers continue to be deliberate and thoughtful around all their decisions. For Thrive TV in Raleigh, North Carolina, Shane Norris.
As always, Shane, thank you very much for the insight. And of course, you can learn more about Syngenta's COVID-19 response by simply going online to syngentathrive.com.